Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2005 Mazda 3, stock number 5953. This ran from the 10th 2003 to 06/20/2006. It's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear stick. AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel with some wear. Instrument cluster.